Is it the right time to make a move on Nvidia stock? Let's find out. In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. We initially shared a report on our website back on Thursday, December 7, 2023. But now, we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our important updates. Staying informed is crucial when it comes to managing your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Explore the potential of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.43. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We will continue closely monitoring this evaluation to track its progress in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 10.22% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 0.570% to 21.38%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a significant 217.17% change in the stock's value. This translates to a potential return between 203.48% and 265.04%. In other words, the stock price could range from $1,414.10 to $1,700.93 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia brings exciting news. The Nvidia stock has been upgraded from a sell candidate to a buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, December 7, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a gain of 2.4%. It rose from $455.03 to $465.96. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $456.06 and a high of $466.29, showing a 2.24% variation. It's important to note that the stock price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 4.35% over this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 4 million shares on the last day. In total, approximately 32 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $14.99 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume alongside increasing prices can indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $505.48, while the lowest price was $138.84. At present, the stock is trading at a price 7.82% or $39.52 below its 52-week high of $505.48, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Here are the latest analyst ratings for Nvidia. BMO Capital recently gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Another report on the same day from BMO Capital graded Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. Wells Fargo also weighed in on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, giving Nvidia an overweight grade alongside a hold action. KeyBank's report on the same day graded Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals that have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $465.50 and $458.22. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the stock has risen by 2.4%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. It is worth noting that despite the stock's gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Additionally, there have been some negative signals issued that may have an influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence signal indicates a potential selling opportunity. The pivot signal suggests a buying opportunity 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicates a buying opportunity 19 days ago. The short-term moving average signal suggests a buying opportunity 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a selling opportunity 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buying opportunity 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average signal suggests a selling opportunity 7 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a buying opportunity 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buying opportunity 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When looking at the downside, we can see that the stock has some support levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $439.38 and $421.96. It's important to keep in mind that there is always a certain level of risk when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $439.38 is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $421.96 and $403.26. Taking a closer look at the stock's movements, we can say that it has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $10.23 between its high and low, which represents a 2.24% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.82%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $3.76. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $467.70. If you're considering entering a position, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $439.38. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, as it may indicate a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into the recent insider trades. Sjoquist Deborah, one of the company's insiders, has executed the 5 most recent trades, involving a total of 13,129 shares or options. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -43.389. In total, insiders have purchased 243,138 shares and sold 595,667 shares across the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $443.37, which represents a decrease of 4.85%. This particular stock generally experiences moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals and a general upward trend for Nvidia stock. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate. When we look at the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, December 8th, we expect Nvidia to open down by $3.19 and start trading at $462.77. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our latest stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.